Hello everyone, I would like to start by quickly introducing myself. My name is Nisha Arya. I am PhD scholar from the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, Vadodara. I and my guide Dr. Shilpi Saraswat have been done a research on digital marketing during troubled times, opinion of consumers, and now we are going to present our findings on this topic. So here I begin. My talk is divided into these sections. First, introduction, a statement of the problem, objective of the study, methodology, results, conclusion, and implications. Now, we come to the introduction part first. For that, we know first what is digital marketing. Digital marketing is any form of marketing that exists online. During the global pandemic COVID-19 had inexorably transformed the workforce as it swings to the digital world through new approaches of communication and different work patterns and touch new heights. We know that we are spending a maximum time on internet nowadays. So it prepared the world to be cognizant to face the upcoming troubled time as well. So customers are the driving force behind any market, face challenges in obtaining product and services from digital markets. And marketers need to meet consumers where they already spending their time, that is on the internet. So using digital technology is now considered as the modern, fast and simple way to solve problems. From shopping to education, nowadays nobody is untouched by the digital platforms. To the second slide, that is the statement of the problems. So the present study was conducted for two reasons: to determine the motivating factors behind purchasing from the digital markets and to assess the consumer's opinion regarding digital marketing during troubled times. So, with this context, there are two objectives of this study. First, to determine the motivation of consumers to buy product and services from the digital market, and second, to assess the consumer's opinion regarding digital marketing during troubled times. Now we came to the methodology part of the research. The research was descriptive in nature, and the sample and sample size for this research were 334 consumers. Purposely random sampling method were used, and the tool we used to collect data, that was the questionnaire, which we distributed through Google Form, and locale we chose, that was the Vadodara city, Gujarat. Then our questionnaire was divided into three sections. First section deals with the background information of the respondents, their age, gender, occupation, education qualification and their income. The second section deals with the 21 statements which were related to the opinions of consumers towards digital marketing, and we used Likkert's 5-point scale for this. Section 3 deals with the motivation of the consumers to move their concern towards the digital platforms, and it had 21 dichotomous statements. Now we come to the result. This slide shows the background information of respondents. The data revealed in this slide showed that less than 1/4 of the consumers were belong to the 21 to 30 age, 59.10% were female, 46.14% were being into the graduation, and 58.80% were the students, and 39.95% of the respondents were earning less than 25,000 rupees per month. This slide shows the how much time consumers spend on the internet in a day. So data revealed that less than 1/3 of the respondents were spending 2 to 3 hours on internet in a day, and less than 1/4 of the respondents, for 24.60% of the respondents, were spending 4 to 5 hours in a day, and 23.40% of the respondents were spending 6 to 7 hours on internet in a day. This slide shows the factors affecting consumers' motivation to purchase the product from digital marketing. First, majority of the respondents, that is 88.03% of the respondents, were found better prices of products in a digital market, and they found the good options for comparison with other products through digital platforms. The one major factor was that the discounts during the festival occasions. These data reveal that the people like the discounts, and they are really motivating by the discounts offering by the digital platforms during festival occasions in India. And also data revealed that saving time is also a factor that motivating the consumers to purchase the products from the digital market. And the factors which are not affected the motivations of consumers, that were the deep desire, peer recommendation, and social media advertisement. Now we come to the next slides, that is the opinions of consumers towards digital marketing. This data revealed that 44.91% of the consumers were strongly agreed with the statement that shopping over the digital platforms allowed to get better prices. It is easier to compare similar items or products between different digital vendors in digital market. Also, shopping over the digital market would be completely compatible with the current situation. It is easy to gather purchase related information through digital vendors, and also consumers strongly agreed with the statement that digital market helps in avoiding going to crowded areas during this troubled times. But consumers also found the poor refund and return policies, which gives stress to them. The products they bought from the digital platforms have poor quality. This statement is not favorable in terms of consumer point of view. So this slide shows the extent of opinion of consumers towards digital marketing, and data revealed that more than 1/3 of the consumers' opinion was somewhat favorable towards the digital marketing, as the digital marketing eased their work, but also they found some unreal products from the digital vendors. Now we come to the conclusion point that people spend 2 to 3 hours in a day on the internet. This digital market helps in avoiding going to crowded play areas, helps to buy the products anytime during the 24 hours a day. Shopping over a digital market would be completely compatible with the current situation, and it is easy to gather purchase related information through digital vendors. Data revealed that consumers were getting better prices in digital platforms discounts during festivals time, which motivated them to buy from digital platforms. Moreover, consumers admitted that poor refund and return policies gives stress, and consumers' overall opinion was somewhat favorable towards digital marketing, as the goods and services available in digital marketing are different from real. What are the implications of this study? That is, the pandemic forced workplace operations to go digital, and many businesses have made such transition successfully in a short period of time. Considering the results, digital firms should improve the return and refund policies, and also should work on the product's quality. From this study, business can use data to target audience based on factors like gender, age, motivation factors, and their opinion to improve their business in the more better way. buying products from the digital platform is one of the best way to keep away the consumers from the crowded places and to be safe during this troubled time. And in terms of the managerial implications, the present study will promote the companies should create innovative customer experience and specific strategy for media to identify the best path of driving up digital marketing performance. Thank you so much, and these are the references for this study. Thank you so much.